Alright guys, CSX Y22 at Cooke Road. I'm back at Cooke Road. My friend Andy is on this train. Dad, can you get out of the way? I'm trying to film here. Dad.
Yeah.
Trying to. My friend Andy is on this train. Andy! Blow the horn, Andy! Andy! Andy is the driver for this train. I met him off Facebook. And my friends Chase and Joey has met him. And Kevin told me about him. Yeah, but anyway guys, CSX Y22 came from, which card? Came from the Budweiser Plant in Worthington, Ohio, and it's going to Parsons Yard in Columbus, Ohio. Okay. I'm not sure. I think this is going to be my only train for today because I'm not sure because Norfolk Southern, their trains are falling behind for some reason. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.